Hey, how's it going, beach lovers? It's your favorite beach aficionado, Angelina, back with another incredible seaside experience. Today, I'm standing on a beach that's like stepping into a dream. Get ready to be blown away. As my bare feet sink into the warm sand, I'm instantly transported to a place of pure bliss. The beach stretches out before me, a dazzling expanse of sun-kissed perfection. The waves gently caress the shore, creating a soothing melody that harmonizes with the salty breeze. This beach is nothing short of a tropical paradise. Picture palm trees swaying in the wind, their leaves creating mesmerizing patterns against the vivid blue sky. The vibrant colors of the surrounding nature add an extra touch of magic to this already enchanting place. Now, let's talk about the water. Oh, the water. It's like stepping into a liquid oasis of crystal clear perfection. As I dip my toes in, I can feel the refreshing coolness rejuvenating my senses. It's the perfect invitation for a swim, a surf, or simply floating lazily on the gentle waves. But this beach isn't just about sunbathing and swimming. It offers endless opportunities for adventure and exploration. Take a leisurely stroll along the shore and discover hidden seashells and treasures the ocean has left behind. Or, if you're feeling more adventurous, grab a kayak and paddle your way along the coast, marveling at the breathtaking scenery. The natural beauty of this beach is awe-inspiring.